I love shoes and I'm always on the lookout for the latest and most stylish new pairs. Now to do this, you need to make sure you have two basic things. An accurate measurement of your foot size in either centimeters or inches. The second thing to keep in mind is your shoe size in any one global size, like US, India or Europe. The white wedges here are available in European sizing. So if you know your Indian size is 7 and your foot measurement is 25.5 centimeters, match these to their corresponding European size to find the correct one, which is 40 in this case. When you're shopping online, it always helps to see a product being worn, so you can really see the size, fit and proportions. A good example is a pair of earrings. You will not know how big or small the earring is unless you see it on a model. So always look for products that have the images of the model wearing it. Flipkart has a fashion icon that takes you straight to everything clothes and accessory related. Clicking on this will save you time by taking you straight to what you want to see. Now if you're looking for footwear, once you're in the section, you can also select the type of shoe you're looking for. You can further filter your search by size to be even more precise. You can also filter for Flipkart Assured for speedy delivery and guaranteed quality. Another amazing thing is that after you've placed your order, you can call your delivery person to schedule the time of delivery. While buying any kind of accessories, it is super important to read all the specifications. For example, while buying sports shoes, the weight of the shoe plays a very important role in how it impacts your activity. The specifications will also tell you the material of the shoe and other important details. If you're buying a pair of heels, the heel height itself is something that influences your decision in most cases. So be sure to look for this and compare it with something you already own. While buying a bag, always read the dimensions of the bag: height, width and depth. Once you see the measurements, try to gauge the size by using a bag you already have. If you don't have a bag handy, you could use any item for reference, the size of which you're already aware of, like your phone screen, which could be 6 inches. So if the bag length is 12 inches, you'll know it's twice the length of your phone. This will give you a fair idea of the size. If there is ever something you like and it's out of stock or not available in your size, don't worry. You can click on the similar icon to see more products of the same type. If you're a beginner at online shopping, try to buy products that are adjustable to some extent, like elasticated bands and sandals and bells, jewelry with openable clasp and extra links, flexible finger rings, bags that have alterable straps. Doing this will eliminate the chances of you receiving something that doesn't fit well. This is me, Gunjan. I hope these tips and tricks take your online shopping game to the next level. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.